6 Best Vodkas for Moscow Mule, brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Moscow Mule is a cocktail made with vodka and other ingredients like ginger beer, lime juice, etc. Let's take a look at the best vodkas for Moscow Mule. Check the links given in the description box below. If you want to make Moscow Mule in an affordable price, Luksusowa Vodka is the perfect choice for you. For the classic taste of Moscow Mule, you can choose Smirnoff Vodka. Let's check the top 6 options. We have Prairie Organic Vodka at number 6. If you want to experience a burst of flavors when drinking Moscow Mule, the perfect choice would be Prairie Organic Vodka. At number 5, Luksusowa Vodka. As potatoes are used in this luxurious vodka, it is quite creamy and flavorsome. Hangar 1 Vodka is at number 4. If you like your Moscow Mule on the sweeter side, this is the vodka to use. Absolute Elix Vodka gets the 3rd position. It catches the attention of many because of its beautiful exterior design. At number 2, we have Tito's Handmade Vodka. As a versatile vodka, it goes well because of its smooth texture with a hint of sweetness and tanginess. Smirnoff Vodka is the best choice for Moscow Mule. Smirnoff is considered as the original vodka to be used in Moscow Mule. You can buy any of these vodkas by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.